So let's learn one of the code-based agentic frameworks, which is nothing but small agents. And this is the simplest code-based agentic framework that we currently have. And we already learned in the previous lectures that an agent takes us from one place to another and adds value to our life. And also agent can plan and take decisions. And agents perform various actions by accessing tools. And also agents can use LLM as their brain. So what is small agents? Small agents is a code-based agentic framework which is developed by Hugging Face. So let me take you here. So this is the official website. So by using small agents framework, we can build agents. So if you see the definition here, small agents is an open source Python library designed to make it extremely easy to build and run agents using just a few lines of code. So that is the advantage of using small agents. Okay. And also small agents offer a range of agent types and capabilities. For example, small agents offer tool calling agents, code agents, multi-agents, retrieval agents, vision and browser agents, and also we have built-in tool support as well. Now let's understand these one by one. So the first one is tool calling agents. So tool calling agents invoke tools through structured JSON-like calls or text instructions. And this is more classical approach where the AI outputs an action in a predefined format, like a JSON specifying which tool to use and with what input. Also, this tool calling agent is more constrained than code execution. It's more constrained and there is no much flexibility here, but it is easy to predict and parse. And we will build a tool calling agent and inspect the agent's behavior. Then you will get the clear idea on this. Okay. And the next one is code agent. So code agents can write Python code as actions to use tools and solve various tasks for us. Okay. And code agents use a language model to produce code. For example, calling a function, right? So which the framework can execute. And code agents are powerful because they can implement complex logic and multi-step operations within a single thought. That is, inside a thought action observation loop, within a single thought, it can implement multiple operations. Okay. And we will also build code agents and inspect the agent's behavior. Then you will get the clear idea on this as well. Okay. And the next one is multi-agent. So multiple agents can work together and perform various tasks, right? For example, one agent can manage or call other agents as tools, that is hierarchical agent. This is especially useful when we have complex workflows where specialized sub-agents handle parts of a task coordinated by a manager agent. Okay. And the next one is retrieval agents. So agents that have retrieval abilities. For example, pulling in information from a knowledge base or a web to ground the answers. So this is essentially RAG, that is retrieval augmented generation in agent form. Okay, the agent has a tool to search documents or different vector databases and uses those results in its reasoning. So we will also implement projects on retrieval agents as well. And the next one is vision and browser agents. So by using these vision and browser agents, they can interpret any visual data, that is images or screenshots, right? And these agents can navigate the web as well. For example, assume you want an agent that can see a web page or an image or have an interaction with the web, right? So you can use these agents in UI automation or image understanding scenarios. Okay. And the next one is built-in tool support. So small agents has a collection of handy tools that we can use. For example, web search tools or Python code interpreter tools and even speech to text transcriber tools, right? And you know, tools are basically functions an agent can call, and you can easily add any custom tool to depending on your need as well. In case if the built-in tools doesn't satisfy your requirement, you can build custom tool as well. So With the help of these small agent tools, our agents can perform various actions like fetching the web content or doing calculations, right? In addition to building these different types of agents, we will also evaluate the output generated by these agents. Okay, and to evaluate the agent's response, we will use open source LLM engineering platform, which is nothing but LangFuse. So let me take you there. So LangFuse is open source LLM engineering platform, and this is used to inspect the agent's thought process. Okay. So two takeaways here. We will build agents using small agents, code-based agentic framework. So we will build tool calling agents, code agents, multi-agents, retrieval agents, vision and browser agents, and also we will use the built-in tools provided by small agents. And the other thing is we will also learn how to evaluate an agent's response by using LangFuse. Okay, so yeah, that's the overview of different types of agents and also tool support that small agents offer. All right, thank you.